How to fix Netflix black screen problem. Let's get started. First up, check updates for Netflix app. For that, launch your app store, search for the app Netflix. After app appears, you'll find the option of open or update. If you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. With that, your problem might be resolved. Next up, close this. Clear cache for Netflix app. For that, launch your settings, navigate to the option of General, head over to the option of iPhone storage. In this page, you're going to find a list of the apps that are installed in a device. Find the app Netflix, open it, click on Upload app, then click on Reinstall app. After reinstalling app, your problem might be resolved. Next, check for the updates for the device. For that, head back, navigate to the option of Software Update. If any updates are available, just update your phone software to its latest version. Next up, head back, launch your preferred browser and head over to the website down detector. Now type in Netflix and search for it. You'll need to check the server status. If there is any outages for the Netflix, you have to wait until the problem will be resolved. After you check that, you can head over to this one website, help.netflix.com. Once you're in the Netflix help page, scroll all the way down, then click on the option of Contact Us. Here you'll need to describe about the issue. With that, Netflix support team will get back to you. You can have the conversation and your problem might be resolved. If none of the solutions work, completely delete Netflix app from your device and reinstall it. For that, press and hold on the Netflix app, click on the option of Remove app, click on Delete app, click on Delete. Once you delete this app, launch your app store, search for the app Netflix and then download it. By applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can solve Netflix black screen issue. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.